Hello and welcome to the Ezisolution Systems tutorial videos. I'm Jesse Brown and today we'll be going through QR code logins. I'll be showing you how to log in staff using the QR code that we can generate from the system. To do that, we go to Maintenance, User Settings, enter in all the system users and the security settings. We're going to click Modify. Here you can see a user code which would be the same in the payroll for the staff members. To get the picture of the user, we double click on the picture itself, and from here you can choose the staff picture from wherever you saved it. We do this for each user. Then to print the user card with the QR code, we need to check each box, or you can right click where this down arrow appears above the boxes. To clear, you left click. Once we've selected the staff members, we go to Print, and as you can see here, the system has generated QR codes for each staff member. This QR code will contain their password from the user settings and their code. When you log into the system using a password by scanning this using a 2D scanner, this will actually use the password in the staff timesheet login and log out. From here you can then print. The barcode scanners we use look something like this. This is what they call a 1D and 2D barcode scanner. It has to be a 2D scanner in order to read the code. Here is another type of scanner that can scan normal barcodes and QR codes. You'll need one of these to scan the code into the system. So if we log out and scan the code with the QR scanner, the password will be entered into the system to log back in. So you can either manually enter it or scan your QR code. This same QR code can also be used if you do payroll. So we'll head to payroll, we'll scan. Notice that the QR code has become the staff code assigned to the staff profile. You can press Sign In. This feature adds a layer of security to the system and makes it easy for the staff member to log in and log out of the system without exposing their password. Note that the staff member won't need to remember their password in order to log into the system. We hope this video has been helpful and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.